Welcome to the quick test. In this video tutorial, we will learn what is Golden AMI and how to create it. So basically, Golden AMI is same as the Amazon machine image, but with some additional configuration. It is a specialized AMI that has not only the base operating system, but also the new software packages and updated security settings with some additional configuration, and this image is highly optimized and perfectly configured for an application. This is often referred to as the gold standard in an organization in terms of system configuration. Okay. Now let's see an example for this, that why do we need golden AMI. Suppose I have a server. This is a scratch server. That means we have not installed anything on it. Now this user is installing various software packages on it. Okay. Suppose he have installed Apache for the web application, MariaDB, and also his code, or you can say the application. He has deployed these things on this server. Now, if this user wants to replicate all these things, then rather than to start from scratch, what it can do, it can create a golden AMI from this existing server. Okay. In that case, if the user launch an instance from this golden AMI, now in that case, these all configuration will automatically come to this server without any further delay. So let's see how to create a golden AMI. I am on my AWS console. Let's set up to the EC2, and we will create a base instance here. Click on launch instance. I'm just doing it in fast forward way. If you want to learn how to launch an instance, then you can refer the video in I button. Okay. I'm choosing Ubuntu server. Alongside this micro. Here we have allowed the traffic and for storage 30 gigs of storage. Keep it as one. Our instance is launching. We have to wait until it get in the running state. Okay, now our instance is in running state. Let's get connect to it. You can use the PEM file that is already downloaded. I'm just connecting it from the EC2 instance connect. Okay, I'm on the terminal now, just running sudo apt install apache 2. Okay, I mean sudo, it's a typo. So we have installed the Apache on it. Let's check the status for this service. Status Apache 2. Okay, it is running. That means if we copy the public IP, go to the public IP of this, then we should see the default Apache 2 page. Okay, we see the default Apache page. Now suppose instead of this I have deployed my application. Suppose this is our application. Okay, now do the exit and just closing this one. Now if I want to create a replica of this server, then rather than to start from scratch and installing the Apache again, what I can do, I will just go to the actions, image and templates, then create image. Here enter an image name. Suppose I am doing web test 1. Now image description, test image, and here you can see it has already taken the instance volume. Okay, just click on create image. Okay, we can click on image ID to see the image status. Even if you lost this notification, just suppose this one, then you can go here, AMIs. Here you will find the image that is right now in pending state. We have to wait till it's get in the running state, sorry, available state. Okay, we see our Amazon machine image in available state. It is basically independent from this instance. Okay, so even if I terminate this instance, okay, I have terminated this and I cannot connect to this instance anymore. Now if I go to the images and refresh this one, we can still see this is an available state, and I can just click on launch instance from AMI. Here I can put any name, test2, an instance type. I can select the existing key pair, whatever it is, and also I have to allow this security group. Even I can select the existing security group. Okay, I'm creating a new and just click on launch instance. Okay, now our instance is launched. Let's refresh this one. Okay, this is in the pending state. This one was the first that is already terminated. Now our second instance is also in running state. Let's connect to it. Okay, I am connected to this. Now if I run sudo systemctl status apache 2, you can see this is still running. It should be in the stopped state, by the way, but it is already enabled, I think. Let me confirm this one also. Is enabled apache 2. Okay, this is enabled. That means that it automatically check that this service is running or not at the time of boot. Okay, here we can just copy the public IP and see the default page is again working. That means our application perfectly working fine. So this is the basic concept of golden AMI. So even if I do additional configuration here, and again I can create an AMI from that and launch the instance again with the additional configuration that I have done. Okay, that was all for the golden AMI, and you can also get the additional details from the description. Thanks.